Here's a comprehensive guide to learning English speaking easily and smartly. Set clear goals. Why? Setting specific goals keeps you focused and motivated. How? Decide why you want to learn English, e.g., job interviews, travel, casual conversation. Break your goals into manageable milestones, e.g., learn 50 common phrases this month. 2. Start with common phrases and expressions. Oui. Learning commonly used phrases helps you start speaking immediately. How? Memorize basic greetings and conversational phrases like, "How are you?" and "Can you help me?" Practice situational expressions, e.g., ordering food, introducing yourself. 3. Immerse yourself in English. Why? Immersion creates a natural environment to absorb the language. How? Watch English movies, shows, and YouTube videos with subtitles. Listen to English songs and podcasts daily. Change your phone or device settings to English. 4. Practice speaking daily. Why? Regular speaking practice improves fluency and confidence. Talk to yourself about daily activities or describe objects around you. Use language exchange platforms like HelloTalk, Tandem, or Speaky to connect with native speakers. Record yourself speaking to evaluate pronunciation and fluency. 5. Think in English. Thinking directly in English eliminates the need for translation, speeding up fluency. How? Start with simple thoughts like, "What should I eat for breakfast?" in English. Gradually practice forming complete sentences in your mind. 6. Focus on listening skills. Why? Listening is key to understanding pronunciation, tone, and natural flow. How? Listen to podcasts like ESL Pod or watch shows like Friends or The Office. Focus on imitating the rhythm and intonation of native speakers. Use dictation exercises to match your listening and writing skills. 7. Learn vocabulary and grammar in context. Why? Memorizing words or rules in isolation is less effective. How? Learn words and phrases through real-life examples. Use flashcards with sentences rather than single words, e.g., "I'm going to the store" instead of just "store." Watch grammar-focused videos on platforms like BBC Learning English or Khan Academy. Haver 8. Use technology. Why? Apps and tools make learning accessible and engaging. How? Use apps like Duolingo, Babbel, or Memrise for vocabulary and sentence practice. Try Elsa Speak to perfect your pronunciation. Record and analyze your speech with apps that provide feedback. 9. Join English speaking groups. Why? Speaking with others simulates real-life conversations. How? Join local meetups, Toastmasters, or online English discussion groups. Participate in community events or workshops conducted in English. Har 10. Work on pronunciation and accent. Why? Good pronunciation helps others understand you better. How? Watch videos on specific English sounds, e.g., the teeth sound. Use online dictionaries with audio, e.g., Cambridge Dictionary. Practice shadowing by repeating after native speakers immediately. 11. Practice real-life scenarios. Why? Role-playing prepares you for real-life conversations. How? Practice situations like introducing yourself, shopping, or asking for directions. Use role-play apps or simulate conversations with friends or tutors. 112. Read aloud. Why? Reading aloud improves pronunciation, rhythm, and confidence. How? Read books, articles, or scripts aloud every day. Choose simple texts initially and gradually move to complex ones. 13. Stay consistent. Why? Consistency is crucial for skill development. How? Set a daily routine, e.g., 30 minutes of speaking practice. Use reminders or habit trackers to stay on track. 14. Learn idioms and colloquialisms. Why? They make your speech more natural and relatable. Focus on idioms and phrases used in daily conversations like, "It's raining cats and dogs." Incorporate one or two into your speech each day. 15. Celebrate progress and stay positive. Why? Celebrating small wins keeps you motivated. How? Record yourself regularly and compare to track improvement. Reward yourself for achieving milestones. Smart tip summary: use mirror practice for confidence. Leverage apps for convenience. Focus on fluency over perfection initially. Surround yourself with English through media, conversations, and daily routines. The key is to enjoy the process. Make learning fun, engaging, and a part of your daily life.